Hi, I'm Thomas. Welcome back to Brooders and Legos in Action. Today we'll be building a 2019 set. It's very common and it has a truck over here with a trailer that's not very well drawn in the picture. Also, as you can see, our main vehicle, the combine harvester. So let's start with the building. Obviously, I don't think I really need to take everything up because I already have set it up because it's such a big set. Well, the box doesn't look like a big set. It is. Well, to the pieces it is. So let's start. Today we'll only divide this review into 3. So it'll be 3 episodes doing this big Lego set because I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so anyways, let's get started with the lorry. We've got one of the man. He needs to be built. Who's gonna? Anyways, in the last episode, we built a Mars Space Rover, which was also a 2019 set. Today this is obviously a bigger set, so we can experiment, see how long it takes to build this awesome Lego set. Anyways, let's just get started. Okay, so we've got the 2 minifigures built. They both have caps on. I like it. I like the this guy's face is actually he's been around since 1999. Its face is so old, really old, and even though it's got to be this face still has similarities and very few differences and lots of similarities. Let's just put them there where they were built. They're where they were born. Anyways, I think we should start off with one of the most extraordinary Lego building truck. It's not for a building site, but it is a truck. Well, obviously it should be a truck. Anyways, this is a awesome set, and everyone and loads of people in the world have got this set because of its look. Its look is actually quite amazing. I like it too. It's quite awesome and like an ordinary Lego set. Okay, so let's start building with the lorry. So far, we've already started the engine and body. Obviously, I feel like you're excited for this because it's a huge set, and and by the way, if you want to watch this whole set being built, you need to look at my channel site so you can see this whole set being built. But why? Because I had to divide this speed build into 3. Because the video should take about an hour. So I just thought I think it's a good idea. We keep it nice and short. this set is a pleasure to build. It's a very good set. It's very high quality. I especially love the drawings on the graphics and stuff on the thing, on the box, and nevertheless, I love it. Now we need to start on the lorry. Oh my gosh. This set has a whopping 800 pieces, which is actually real true. You may seem like I'm saying it's a false thing that I'm saying, but no, it's a real thing. It's this small set, which, well, because 800 pieces are a lot. That's why we need to divide this video into 3. Actually, it's just an experiment. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna mute myself so I can do the build much more quicker and be much more confident, because I'm actually quite nervous. Come on, where are you? Okay, so far everything's going totally perfect. So we can get on to the thing smoothly. Today I'm already being quite quick on this first bit of the Lego. I think it's a pleasure to have it because I just like it. Okay, anyways. Not sure if we're going to need the box anymore. So let's just put it back there. That's much more better because we don't need it. And plus, yeah, we just don't need it. Okay, anyways, I think I totally recommend this Lego set to you, and I really hope you like it. It's an awesome set, literally awesome. It has a whopping as I already told you, has about 600 to 800 pieces, which is actually quite impressive for very few Legos. Well, Lego vehicles, because it's one big Lego set. Anyways, I think it's a perfect, because it's kind of like a set that I think you will actually really enjoy if you get it. Okay, so anyways, I will just be a bit quiet for a few minutes so I can focus on me building this Lego. Anyways. Okay. Oh no. One hook. Okay. Oops. Wrong way around. Cover. Where is that piece? I really hope there are no pieces that are lost. Hope so. Hope not. I don't. So we've nearly got our thingy done. Ouch. Okay, so now for the finishing touch. Ouch. Okay, so we have just 3 more pieces till we're done with the, no, 2 more pieces I meant. Okay, there's 1 more piece I still haven't found yet. A few more pieces. Yes, obviously those ties definitely won't fit. These ties are close, but they're too big. Let me try these little ones. Yep. Obviously, I was just joking. I was just seeing on which one which one did you think was the right one? Did you think the big one, small one, or the even tiny one? Well, I don't know. I'm just joking, I already know. But, okay, so it's up to that pesky piece that I haven't found. Okay. Okay, I think that's everything. Okay, see you on episode, I don't know. Episode 2, I think. Bye.